एक्सपर्ट यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, यू विल बी गुड। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 1, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड द पार्ट नंबर 1. Question number 1 is that write the following quadratic equations in the standard form and point the pure quadratic equation. So first we are going to solve the first question, which is x plus 7, x minus 3 is equals to minus 7. So but this is simple a multiple, you're going to multiply, but for the beginners who people don't understand and they forget the concept, so I'll be repeating it. X is going to multiply with x minus 3 and plus 7 will be multiplied by x minus 3 and is equals to minus 7. Then x and x multiply, when it multiply, the answer would be x square. X and minus 3 minus 3x plus 7 and x 7x minus 7 into 3 21 equals to minus 7. Now x square will be remain because no, we don't have any x square, so 1x square is there, and minus 3x plus 7x would be plus 4x. This is simple concept you have learned in the previous classes, how we can plus or minus in the algebraic expression. Then minus 21 and equal to minus 7. X square plus 4x is equals to now minus 21. If you just see, the 7 is having minus sign and it is on the right side of the equal sign. When the 7 will come to the left side, it will change into plus 7 is equals to 0 because we don't have anything to write here. X square plus 4x minus when we minus it, 21 minus 7, 14 is equal to 0. This is our answer. This is a general standard form. You'll write general standard form is x square minus plus 4x minus 14 is equals to 0. Now we are going to solve the second question, which is number 2 part. I can solve two parts for you, and if you want any other question, any confusion, so you can ask me in the comment section. I will solve the other parts also for you if you're having any confusion, and try to practice the question 2 or 3 times so that you can understand, and if you have any problem, so you can ask me. So in this question you're going to take the LCM. I hope you know what is LCM, but I can repeat so that you may memorize that how would you take the LCM. 3 and 7, 3 ones are 3, 7 will be remain, and then you will have the 7 and 1 will remain, and 1 and 1, so 3 into 7 it is 21. Now you are going to take the, you can write here taking LCM. You can write the steps so that the examiner may know that what are you doing, and it make the stepwise questions also taking LCM. Now you are going to LCM 21. 3, here you can multiply 7 and here you are going to multiply 3. You know that 7 3s are 21 and 3 7s are 21. 7 3s are 21, 7x square plus 7 4s are 28 minus 3x is equals to 1. Now what you will do, 7x square plus 28 minus 3x, and this 21 is going to multiply over here 21. Now what you will do, 7x square you are going to arrange it according to the ax square bx plus c is equals to 0 standardly. Minus 3x plus 28 is equals to 21. Now what you're going to do, simple process I have repeated in the first question also, that you're going to change it. You can come to the left side, so it will be minus, plus will be changed into minus and equals to 0. 7x minus 34, 3x plus this would be 7. You know 28 minus 21 would be 7. You'll write here this. So this is your general standard form. So you write general standard form is 7x square minus 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. This is your answer. Now if you move to the second question, question number 2. So you will see that if you just read the question, that's solved by factorization. Now you are going to solve the quadratic equation. So I will tell you how you will do. If you remember in your class 9, you have chapter number 5 and 5.2. In that also you factorize, that is the same process, and I always say that you practice it. Don't forget the things, because if you forget the things you don't understand math. So whatever you do, just not for the paper's sake or number's sake, you should remain in the mind also. So question number 2 we're going to start. You're going to do it solve by factorization. So you're going to make the factors or factorization concept. Now, part number 1. Part number 1 is x square minus x minus 20 is equals to 0. So I'm going to repeat the concept, that is of 9, but I'm going to repeat so the beginners or the people who don't learn so they can understand. What you will do, you're multiplying the first factor and the last factor. If you just multiply both 20 into x square, you will get 20x square. Now you are going to find the factor in that sense that you will get minus x also and minus 20. In some way you are going to write. This is the best method I tell you, you make the right factors. In the factors you will make, so you will understand better. 2 tens are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now if you do this, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 and 5. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 5. So if you just see 4 into 5, 20 also. And if you cite 5x minus 4x and this is plus. In this you write, you will get minus x also, and if you multiply this, if you just multiply like this, so you will get minus 20 also. Your both factors are satisfied. It means your factor is correct. So you will put the factor x square minus. This is actually rough work because when you are going to do practice, you will be proficient enough that you don't need to do the steps. In the mind you can do. So but these are rough work you can do, but the procedure will start from here, which I am going to. Okay, but I am going to explain you so that you can understand. So minus x, 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equals to 0. Then x in the same it is class 9, 5.1. In this question you are going to two factors. Here you can see x is common, x, and what is remain 5. Plus from these two factors, which is common, 4 is common. Then what is remain, x minus 5. Just see, for you solving the question, these both the factors should be same and we got the same factors. So write the same factors, x minus 5 and x plus 4. Now you have factorized it. This is your answer also, or either you can write it x minus 5 is equals to 0, x plus 4 is equals to 0, x is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 4 in the solution set. This is a very basic thing, that answer. The teacher asks you what is the answer. So answer is this solution set, that is 5 and minus 4. So this question is completed. Now I can solve a second part also for you people, and if you have any problem you can ask me. 3y square is equals to y and y square is equals to y into y minus 5. Now what you will do, 3y square is equals to y multiplied by y square minus y into 5, 5y. Now you're going to transfer into the equal size minus y square. That's a simple concept that I repeated here in the previous questions. This way 3y square minus y square, that will be 2y square plus 5y is equals to 0. Now you're going to take common. If you just see y and y are common, so you can take it common, and remaining 2 and this y also plus 5 is equals to 0. Now what you will do, y is equals to 0 and 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. 2y is equals to minus 5, y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now you're going to write the solution set. This is a curly bracket. You have learned in your previous classes about the brackets also, round, curly and the square bracket. So you'll write like this. So this is your answer. Now we are going to the third question. That is, solve the following question by completing square. So number 1, so now we are going to solve by the completing square. So I will do question number 1 and I think which question number 10, because these are almost same. This is actually we are going to rearrange it now, so I can solve for you and this. Okay, now question number 1, 7x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what you will do, that you are going to dividing 7. Because we want this, actually the question is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we want it 1. Actually we wanted 1, it's 7. So what you will do, you will be dividing 7. So 7x square over 7 plus 2x over 7 minus 1 over 7 is equals to 0. Now 7 cancel. X square plus 2 by 7 x minus 1 over 7 equals to 0. Now x square 2 over 7x. So this 1 by 7 will be transferred to the other side of the equal. Now what you will do? Do you remember a formula that we have learned in the very much classes, that was a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus a plus b whole square. This formula is going to apply here. Now you are going to write a square, just make it like 2ab plus b square equals to 1 over 7 plus b square. In this way you are going to make it. After that you put the value and solve. It would be more easier for you to solve it. Now just see, this is a, this one, you write here x, then here also x, this is a place, you don't have b, you have to find, you have 2ab but you have not the b, so you have to find it. If you write 2 by 7, if you write 2 by 7, if you just say I'll write 2 by 7, you write 2 by 7, but 2 by 7 you just say 2 by 7x, yes you want, but this is also 2, when it will multiply it will be problem for you. What you will do, the solution, you are going to multiply with 7 2, when, because if you multiply the 2 now, so this